Welcome back to CAD station. Today we are going to draw this part here. First of all, you can see we have to draw this base, and then I am going to draw this upper part or upper surface, and at the end of the tutorial we will draw this circle. So let's start our video. New document. I am going to draw a part. Okay, now here it's up to you. You can draw on inches, but I am going to draw in millimeters. So first of all, I am going to select top plane, control 8, or you can press go to sketch and sketch. Now first of all, this is of 95 by 40. I am going to draw I'm going to select corner rectangle from here to here, and its diameter, its dimension is 95 by 40. This side is of 95, and this one is of 40. Now we have to extrude it up to 30 mm. Okay, here you can see it is extruded up to 30. Now I am going to draw this part. This is of 90 by 50. Select this, sketch, control 8. Again I am going to select corner rectangle from here to here. Okay, smart dimension, this is 90 by 50. This side is of 90 and this side is of 50. Now one more thing, we have to draw it in the center. So simple, press escape, select its midpoint and the midpoint of this one, or you can select from this side and make a relation horizontal. So it's done. Now you can see this edge is chamfer, these all edges of 10 by 45 degree. So here chamfer, these all edges, and 10 millimeters by default it's done. So okay, now you can see this is a slot. So let's draw a slot line from here, vertical line. Then you for this is a straight line. For arc, again go to here and just do like this and click, then click on this. Now again line command, same as select line command, or you can directly mirror it. So let's draw it from these to these. Then I have to draw arc, one arc of this size and this. Now select this center point and midpoint and this midpoint or center point and make a relation vertical. Okay, now you can see here this slot is of 25 and radius of 5, 25 and 5. This is of radius 5 and this distance is from here to here is 25. Okay, this is of 5. Okay, and from here to here is 25. Okay, now we have to extrude it. First extrude it up to 12. You can see this is 12 millimeter up. Features, extrude, and select contour, this one, this one, this one, this one and this one, and it's 12 millimeters. Okay, now you can see, if from top view, this is the solid edge, but here you can see this is the cut side. So to cut it, select this face, control 8. Now select this part, extruded cut, but it shows two convert entities. Click on this. Now features, extruded cut, and extrude cut up to through all. Okay, same working. Select this, convert entities, or first features, extruded cut, and convert entities. Features, extrude cut, cut up to through all. Okay, now it's done. Now we have to draw this extruded part, which is circle. So let's just start as select this face, sketch, press Ctrl 8. Now here draw rectangle from here to here. Press escape. Now you can see this is 15 millimeter width. So smart dimension, make it of 15. And one more relation, select midpoint, and midpoint of this line, or you can simple from this point to this point is 12.5. for check, from here to here is 12.5. Okay, now you can see this is extruded, but its dimension is not mentioned, so we are going to just extrude it up to extrude and extrude it up to 10 millimeters. Okay, now select this face, sketch, control 8. Now select line for construction and make from origin to here and here, escape. You can see this dimension is given from this end to the center is 140. So smart dimension, this is of 140, and this height is 60. It means we have to make it of 30. Press escape, may select this line and make it horizontal. Okay, now select circle, make a circle of smart dimension. This is of 60 millimeters dia. So it's done. Press escape, and now you can see it is extruded same width, so 15 millimeters. Features, extrude boss, and 15 mm. Now you can see this extrude is going to left hand side, but we have to draw on the right hand, so click on this arrow and okay. Now you can see there is a gap here. This is a gap. To end this gap or to reduce this, select this face or sketch, convert entities, or first extrude boss and make convert entities. Now go to features, extrude boss, but extrude, you have to extrude it up to next. You can see this fill the whole part which is empty. Now okay, furthermore select this sketch, control 8, circle, and make a circle inner circle which is hole is of 25 millimeter dia, 25 mm. Okay, features, extrude cut, we have to cut it right. Okay, now you can see this is done. Whole part is done. Now go to appearance, change its color, this one. Okay, some more settings, perspective, plain white or black gray. So it is done, or you can plain white. So this part is done. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any query or you have any other sketch you want to ask me, you can ask on comment or directly send it to me through Gmail. Thank you. Like this video, comment and share to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel CAD Station. Thank you.